Hey guys, bit of a day off today, so got some time. We're going to spend a little while on the car now, and I'm going to start taking this side of the floor off. Well, a little bit anyway. Yeah, get tired drilling out all the spot welds and all that. So we're just making a start up here on the companion bin, and I'm going to plug some of the welds on this piece of the floor, which is about 50% welded in now. So hopefully you can see where I'm going to be doing that, and I might film some of me working. Got a little bit carried away and ended up grinding pretty much all of these, to make sure that there aren't any slight tiny bit there, but they're not hollow. Seem to be full of metal all the way along, so pretty happy with those. Didn't film it, wasn't very exciting. Just threw the etch primer on everywhere where we've welded from this side. So yeah, more progress. All the spot welding to do along there, all the spot welding to do here. Need to clean this edge off first. Right, this bit here needs cleaning off so we can spot weld the inner seal to the doorstep.